Samanana ngenibingelele nginamukela le channel eMasweti Mina Production obingelelayo umxolisi umfana kahle masala phansi le nkandle emathatha amnyama mangabe ke uyaqala ukufika kule channel ngicela ukuthi wenze iqiniso lokuthi uqoqa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba la namhlanje kanza kwethu izweke like labakuphozi ezintweni ke eziningi kakhulu ngenxa ukuthi bekusekhona ukhetho kodwa manje lidlulile ukhetho sesibuyele ke empilweni ke seyijwayele abuyeleke namacala amakhulu enkantolo ngibala icala lika Thabo Bester ngibala icala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa ngibala icala lokubulawa kukamculi wakuleli aka kanye nomngani wakhe kusho ukuthi ke njengamanje ke esize ngayo ke indaba ethinta ke uThabo Bester njengoba ke izolo mhla ka 5 June 2024 kade ke ese High Court ke la eBloemfontein lapho khona ke bekade ke yopheka khona ke ngemibuzo ufike ke walwa ke ngendlela ke esimanga elwa ke enombuso esho ukuthi ke uyahlukumezeka njengoba ke ngaphakathi laphana ejele uthi ke unamacala amancane kakhulu amacala wakhe amakhulu nokuba amakhulu njengoba ke namacala amathathu kodwa uthi ke uyena isona sigebengu esidume kunazo zonke igebengu zakhe zabakhona la eMzansi Afrika ukhala nangokuthi ke futhi uyagodola nje ngendlela esimanga nezimpahla akagqokise zona akusizona izimpahla zakhe uthi mayefuna ukufaka izimpahla zakhe ezibizayo Louis Vuitton bamnqabela bathi cho uzofaka lezi ke insizwa ngoba mawufaka lezi ezibizayo ulethe esinye isithombe ngomthetho walapho lethe isithombe sokuthi wena uphila kahle njengoba ungaphakathi uthi noma ethu uzamkhetha abantu abazommela bayanqaba bathi abafuna ukwehlanganisa naye usethi ke okungcono ukhetha ukuthi ke ayimele yena njengoba ke ethu uyayimela yena futhi ucela ukuthi ke anikezwe ke isigwebo sentambo avesane abulawe ngobani ngoba ukhala ngokuthi ke uma ngabe eqhubeka ephila uzoqhubekeza ubhlungu kanti futhi ke nalabantu aboshwe nabo abasolwayo nabo bazoqhubeka nokugwetshwela into abangahlangene nayo uthi ke umuntu onecala uyena ngakho ucela ukuthi ke kuthathwe impilo yakhe yathi nje inkantolo nje cho asizokuzwa ngawo ke indoda uzoletha ummeli kuyimasiqala ke sikhuluma nawe cela ukuthi uyibonele lolu daba ukuthi ke luhambe kanjani.
I'm not the worst inmate in this country. I don't have the highest counts. I have 3 counts. But I am the most popular inmate in this country for no reason, because of the political carnage and because of the political issues that I have in my personal capacity that have nothing to do with this legal proceedings. And I feel that I am out to address that. And Your Honor, with my last point, that I feel it's unfair for these people that are sitting here as my so-called accused to be in court when I know very well they have nothing to do with this. When I know very well that they were not present in any of these issues that are in this indictment. The people that are being protected by the investigating team are very clearly known. I have more than enough evidence to prove that this thing is much more than just an average people that are working at an institution called G4S that just decided on one day to release me. It's highly impossible for them to do that without political power or other high office involved in this issue. I have been out in South Africa, living my life for a year. I have not violated any human, but I am treated with the utmost, even in the legal fraternity, Your Honor. It's very difficult for me to appoint an attorney. Attorney would cancel brief on the base that say, I don't want to be associated with Thabo Bester because the media will attack me. I've had 5 counsels who told me that I would love to be in your case, but I'll be in the background, because I cannot be seen in front, because you are Thabo Bester. The media will destroy me and the state will never give me any work. Is that anyhow how I should be treated when I am standing in trial, Your Honor? Is that equal to any other person that is standing with the utmost, even in the legal fraternity, Your Honor? It's very difficult for me to appoint an attorney. Attorney would cancel brief on the base that say, I don't want to be associated with Thabo Bester because the media will attack me. I've had 5 counsels who told me that I would love to be in your case, but I'll be in the background, because I cannot be seen in front, because you are Thabo Bester. The media will destroy me and the state will never give me any work. Is that anyhow how I should be treated when I am standing in trial, Your Honor? Is that equal to any other person that is standing in trial? My last point, Your Honor, is that under Section 3...
The third last one.
Let's make it the last one. Section 277 that was cancelled by the Constitutional Court as a death sentence. Your Honor, I say this as a broken man, and I say this wholeheartedly. It tears me apart to see these people in this court, knowing very well that they're suffering for something that you know nothing about. I request that the public, if they are so convinced, and if the prosecution is so convinced that I am the waste of these people's lives, that this section be enforced on a petition that under the previous Act of Correctional Services, of Criminal Prosecution, Act 126 of 92, that a death sentence be given as a petition, that the public signs a petition, and I be given a death sentence, and immediately I will agree to it. So we end this matter. I came here with 80 cards. I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I've been having chains on my feet. My feet are ice at this point. I can barely feel my toes. This is not the way I want to proceed, Your Honor. If it means that this court can accept the petition and the public can sign it, and I can be put to rest, and we can put all this, because I am at peace. I know what I've done. I know what I've not done. I am not perfect. But one thing I know for a fact, that none of these things would exist if there was no backhand of political watchdogs that control the situation.